It's an amazing place where we, the Volvo Group and our partner, co-create and accelerate for the future of mobility. Welcome to CampX.
We need to be more open-minded and invite others into this collaboration, this innovation ecosystem. That is what CampX is really all about.
With CampX, we are taking a step to respond to the need of current and future customers and to support them effectively.
Well, key in CampX, it's speed and simplicity, but overarching everything. As in any relation, it's trust.
So far, 7 partnership contracts have been signed, and we are hoping, of course, that you will sign many more, leading, of course, to creating values for our customers.
So the hub of Lyon, from a Volvo Group perspective with Renault trucks here, is a very obvious choice then, and it's great to have now Lyon in the CampX team.